Assalamu alaikum students. In the last session you have learnt about the sense organ ear, that is the sense of hearing, and today you are going to learn about another sense organ. For that I will ask you a question. Which sense organs are in pairs? That is ears and eyes. So eyes are in pairs. Today you are going to learn about the sense organ eye. Eye is the sense of sight. This is the structure of eye. You are seeing the human eye, and in your course book you have given that some information about the eyes. What is that? Yes, eyes are the most important of all the 5 sense organs. They are the organs of sight. We can see a variety of things with our eyes, and we are having a pair of eyes located in the front upper part of our face. And if you come to the shape of the eye is ball shaped, and which only about 1/4 of its part is visible outside, but the 3/4 or the remaining part is seated in a cavity in the head. These pair of eyes are protected by our eyelids and eyelashes, and eye is compared to a camera. How we are comparing our eye with a camera means, if you close your eyes you can see nothing, that is darkness. If you look at a person, your eye is storing the image of that person, and when you again see the same person you can recollect that person. Like that camera also, when we takes a photograph, that time it is storing the image of that particular person, and again it is recollecting it. So eye is compared to a camera. Now what you are seeing is the structure of eye. That is anatomy of the eye, which is not needed in your 5th class. In the higher class you are going to study in detail about this anatomy of eye. Just I am showing you this picture. Next, in your course book you are having this picture. You can look at that. Is seeing, always believing. What you are seeing with your eyes is always a right thing. Is it the right thing or not? Now we are going to know about it in detail. So for that you have given that picture. You have given 2 lines, line A and line B, and they are asking you a question, which line appears longer, whether it is A or B. When you look at that line A and line B, directly you can say that, directly you will say that A is a smaller line when compared to B. But when you take a scale and when you measure it, A is 2.5 centimeters and B is also same as A, that is 2.5 centimeters. Both lines are same, but while you are seeing, you are not telling that thing. So seeing is always not believing. Well, this you can know. Next we are going to learn about K for the eyes. How you have to take care of eyes. In your book also I have given some points, so I will teach you about that. If you want to take care of your eyes, you should not work in very dim light or in very bright light, and regularly you should wash or clean your eyes with cold water. And when you are going in a moving vehicle, you should not read anything that affects your eyes. Do not rub your eyes hard when there is some sort of irritation. Do not play with sharp objects like knife, blade, pins, like that. Do not look directly at the sun. Do not watch TV for more time, and you should maintain some reasonable distance. Be careful while you are playing games. You have to protect your eyes when you are playing games also. Eat plenty of green, leafy vegetables and carrots. Consult a doctor when you have a problem with your eye. So which doctor you should consult means ophthalmologist. Who is ophthalmologist means a person who studies about eye is called an ophthalmologist. This is the care you should take of your eyes. Next, do you know carrot, pumpkin, leafy vegetables, papaya and mango are rich in vitamin A, which is good for your eyesight. So eat lots of green leafy vegetables and also carrot, pumpkin, papaya, mango, like that. Then you can maintain your very good eyesight. This is about your sense organ. And the next class we are going to learn about next sense organ. Okay, thank you children.